Morning, that safety guy here. For those of you who have never seen or wondered how they get the excavator out of the excavation once the ramp has disappeared, well, there you go. One big ass crane, one excavator. And you pick it and you place it. It's actually kind of cool, but 2.5 hours to set up to get the crane going. 3 guys. The constructor has gotten rid of a no man's land so that no workers are in there except for the swamper and the guy calling the crane, and you pick it up. 30 ton up in the air, and we are good to go. Now, it's not very exciting, it's not very fast, but it is really cool to watch.